cool.
Do you like the car? That's an old cab.
I like this taxi too, actually. It speaks to me.
Pretty cool taxi. Adventures with Arjun. Namaste everyone, that's Arjun and Rajni. Welcome to our channel. So we're on our way to Hershey's Chocolate World in Niagara Falls, Ontario, and we ran into these old cars.
You look like you just went mudding.
Look at these cool cars, huh? So what's today's challenge or hint going to be? Well, let's see. Can you spot two kisses? Yes, two kisses in the video. Those red bars?
It's a roll cage, so if you crash, you won't get squished.
Ah,
Look at this
roll.
car.
Nice. These are race cars.
Look at that car.
That's
Want to see that one?
No, it's a taxi. It's a taxi. Ow. And hard.
Because it's bald,
And
and then
hard.
driving it so
Ow.
much.
Yeah,
And it's hard, yes.
I think this one.
Hey, Arjun, come here.
What?
Look, what is this?
Fingerprints. Fingerprints.
Fingerprints?
This is cool, huh? Or hold, Mom. Yeah, hold, Mom. I got lost and turned
What?
into duty free because my jeans was.
You get scared?
He's not scared. You gotta stop asking him if he's
Oh.
scared because he's gonna be like, maybe I am scared. He's self-inflicted fear. He just looks scared because he's so quiet and he just has that look in his face, but he's not. He's just chilling.
Mommy. Happy birthday.
This.
You ready? You ready? Come here. Give yourself. Ready? You're gonna make a funny face, okay? Look at that. People think you're a tourist because you got a camera. It will take all day to drink. I'm dragging back home.
Thanks for watching. All the places shown here are Arjun and my favorite places to visit. Links to them are in the description below. Like and subscribe if you want to come on more adventures with Arjun. And don't forget to share if you want to bring friends.
Bye-bye.